Today we will read a lesson Try Again. This short poem Try Again has been written by William Edward Hickson. He has quoted this poem with 3 tries in his moral song. The poet says, if at first you don't succeed, try again. Don't give up too easily. Persistence pay off in the end. Failure is a good lesson for a people to learn how to succeed. Failure is the teacher. It is common that you may fail because at first you have no experience how to do a particular thing. Instead of quitting after you fail, you should learn from your failure. Failure means you have done something wrong. We can't always be successful the first time. It takes a while to learn, to experiment, to succeed. We often get frustrated, we may even give up because of the fear of failing. It is certain that we will have to go through great difficulties before we reach our goal in our lives. Nobody knows only success. Try again is the only way to be successful. If you don't give up, one day you will be sure to succeed. The main idea of the poem is that no matter in whatever problem you are, never despair. Always try to solve the problem by trying again and again until you will finally succeed. The message of the poem is universal. The poet said that when the world says give up, hope whispers try it one more time. The road to success is dotted with many tempting parking places, so you should keep up trying again and again to close this road. Now I read the poem. This is a lesson you should hate. Try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, this no disgrace, though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. I explained the point. This is a lesson should you heed, try again. If at first you don't succeed, try again. Then your courage should appear, for if you will persevere, you will conquer, never fear, try again. The poet advised us to learn, understand and practice the rule of trying again. He said that if at first you don't succeed, try again. Make at least 3 tries to be successful. Failure is a good teacher. Instead of quitting after you fail, you should keep on trying. A person who perseveres and keep on trying again and again becomes courageous. God helps him and he gets success. So get rid of fear of failure or hurdles and keep on trying again. Once or twice, though you should fail, if you would at last prevail, try again. If we strive, this no disgrace. Though we did not win the race, what should you do in that case? Try again. The poet advises us to continue struggle till we achieve success. A person who failed, feels insult and gave up struggle. The poet encouraged him and said that it does not make any difference if you fail one or twice. It is not a matter of disgrace to fail. In case of failure, we should not give up struggle. We should keep on trying till we succeed. If you find your task is hard, try again. Time will bring you your reward, try again. All that other folk can do, why with patience should not you? Only keep this rule in view, try again. In this sentence, the poet again gave a lesson of perseverance, steadfastness, courage, boldness and patience. He encouraged us and say if the task is hard, we should not give up because of the fear of failure. If other people can succeed, we can also succeed. Certainly, persistence will pay off in the end. Take try again as a rule because it is a gateway to success.